You tell yourself you're lazy, unmotivated, just lacking discipline. But what if that's not the real problem? What if your brain has been quietly hijacked, rewired by apps, algorithms, and engineered experiences designed to keep you coming back? You reach for your phone without thinking. You can't sit through a meal without scrolling. 10 minutes of focus feels impossible. And here's the thing, it's not about willpower, it's about dopamine. The same chemical that once drove you to hunt, create, and survive is now being weaponized against you. The good news? The same chemical that once drove you to hunt, create, and survive is now being weaponized against you. The good news? The same chemical that once drove you to hunt, create, and survive is now being weaponized against you. The good news? Once you understand how your brain got hijacked, you can take it back. And that's exactly what we're about to do. Here's why this is happening to almost everyone. We're living in the first era, where billion-dollar companies employ neuroscientists and behavioral psychologists to make products as addictive as possible. Social media apps, streaming platforms, even the food we eat, they're all engineered to trigger dopamine spikes. Dopamine is your brain's motivation molecule. It's what made our ancestors hunt for food and build civilizations. It's what made our ancestors hunt for food and build civilizations. But now, it's being hijacked by infinite scroll, autoplay, and notifications designed to feel urgent. But now, it's being hijacked by infinite scroll, autoplay, and notifications designed to feel urgent. But now, it's being hijacked by infinite scroll, autoplay, and notifications designed to feel urgent. After researching behavioral neuroscience and watching thousands of people struggle to reclaim their focus, I've seen the same pattern. The post-scroll guilt, the inability to enjoy a sunset without filming it, the constant itch for the next hit of stimulation. This isn't your fault. It's not a character flaw. It is your brain responding exactly as it was designed to, just in an environment it was never meant to handle. It's not a character flaw. It is your brain responding exactly as it was designed to, just in an environment it was never meant to handle. Let's talk about the patterns keeping you stuck. Pattern 1. The reward replacement trap. You finally delete Instagram. You feel proud. A week later, you realize you're spending 3 hours a night on YouTube instead, or Netflix, or scrolling Reddit. Different app, same dopamine hit. Most people think quitting one platform is progress. But your brain doesn't care about the source, it cares about the spike. And because you keep feeding it high stimulation content, your baseline dopamine stays suppressed. You never actually reset. Pattern 2. The motivation paradox. You're waiting to feel motivated before you act. You tell yourself, I'll go to the gym when I feel like it. But here's the problem. Dopamine follows action, not the other way around. Your reward system is so dysregulated from constant artificial stimulation that the natural motivation signal never fires, so you wait and wait. Meanwhile, someone with a healthier dopamine system takes action first, gets the reward after, and builds momentum. The difference isn't willpower, it's brain chemistry. Most people are trying to solve a neurological problem with motivation, and that's why they keep failing. Now here's where it gets tricky, even for people who think they've got this figured out. Pattern 3. Subtle stimulation creep. You quit social media and gaming. You're proud, but you still have a podcast playing every second of the day. Music during every task. 3. Browser tabs open while you work. You're consuming productivity content about focus while never actually experiencing silence. Most people think staying busy equals productivity. It doesn't. It prevents the mental space where breakthrough ideas happen. True boredom, the kind that feels uncomfortable, is where creativity lives. But you've trained your brain to fear that emptiness, so you fill every gap with noise. You're detoxed from the big stuff, but still overstimulated by everything else. Pattern 4. The all-or-nothing reset myth. You've seen the videos. I did a 30-day dopamine detox and changed my life. So you try it. No phone, no music, no sugar, no fun. By day 3, you crack. You binge everything you restricted and feel like a failure. Here's what they don't tell you. Extreme detoxes work for content, not for most brains. Neuroscience shows that gradual recalibration, small, sustainable changes actually rewires dopamine receptors more effectively. Popular advice screams go hard or go home. Your brain whispers go slow or don't go at all. So how do you actually fix this? Let me give you a framework that works. Reset, rebuild, rewire. First, reset. Don't try to quit everything at once. Identify your top 2 or 3 highest stimulation activities. For most people, that's social media, YouTube, or gaming. Create friction. Delete the apps Use screen time limits, replace them with lower stimulation alternatives like reading or walking. You're not banning pleasure, you're reducing the dopamine fire hose to a manageable stream. Next, rebuild, reintroduce boredom in tiny doses. Take a 5-minute walk without headphones. Eat one meal without your phone. Sit in silence for 60 seconds. Yes, it will feel uncomfortable. That discomfort is your brain recalibrating. It's not punishment, it's progress. Finally, rewire. Stack low dopamine wins. Read 5 pages. Do 10 push-ups. Journal 3 sentences. These small actions teach your brain that satisfaction comes from effort, not instant hits. Here's your daily checklist. Morning, complete 1 task before touching your phone. Midday, 10 minutes of boredom practice. Evening, 1 analog activity like cooking, drawing, or stretching. Most detox advice is extreme, unsustainable, and designed to fail. This framework is gradual, flexible, and built for real life. You're not trying to become a monk. You're trying to become someone who can focus again. And that starts with small, consistent recalibration. Your brain isn't broken, it's just been trained by systems designed to keep you clicking. The good news, you can retrain it. Pick one element from the framework this week and notice the shift. If you want more neuroscience-backed strategies to reclaim your focus and motivation, subscribe and stick around. We're just getting started. Remember, small changes, big rewiring. You've got this.